You can now enable two-factor authentication on your Inventory Hive app. This is an extra layer of security designed to protect your data. You can also encourage your staff on your Inventory Hive account to enable this as well. So I'm just going to show you now how that works. If you log into your Inventory Hive account, click on your name in the top right hand corner, click Settings, and then there's a new tab on the left hand side called Security. Once you click that, you can then click Enable to enable the 2FA on your Inventory Hive account. This will then bring up a QR code. I'll then log in to the Google Authenticator app or the Microsoft Authenticator app, but there are other authenticator apps out there. You'll scan this QR code, populate the code in here, and then type in your password, and that will enable your 2FA. So I'm just going to show you very quickly how that works. So to set up your 2FA, you would log into one of the authenticator apps. So I've got the Google Authenticator app here. It will say scan the QR code, which was the QR code I've just shown in the desktop site. You'll scan that here and you'll get this code. You'll then type that code in the relevant section on the desktop site and then type in your password, and that will set up 2FA. And then the next time you log into your Inventory Hive app, this is the same on the desktop site as well. You put your name, your password, and then it will ask you to type in an authenticator code. You then type that code in here and then you'll be able to log in. So this is an extra layer of security on your account to protect your data, and you can also make sure your staff or users on your account enable this as well.